Hey there, welcome back to Beautyistic. If you've ever struggled to get your little ones excited about brushing their teeth, or worried about them brushing too hard and hurting their gums, you're going to want to stick around. Before we jump in, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon so you never miss honest reviews and tips to make your beauty and wellness routines easier and more fun. Today, we're looking at the Oral-B IO Kids Limited Rechargeable Electric Toothbrush in the Spiderman edition. It comes with one gentle care brush head, an automatic pressure sensor to protect gums, 3 cleaning settings, and a 2-minute music timer. Essentially, it's designed to make brushing easier, safer, and hopefully a lot more enjoyable for kids. Right out of the box, the toothbrush feels sturdy but lightweight, perfect for little hands. The one-touch button makes it incredibly simple for children to operate without frustration, and the sound is quiet enough that it won't startle them while still feeling effective. It has a long-lasting battery, which is a huge bonus for families who don't want to be constantly recharging devices. The automatic gum pressure sensor is a thoughtful touch. It slows the brushing speed if your child presses too hard, which helps protect delicate gums, a concern many parents have. I tested this during a few brushing sessions with my niece, and the sensor worked well, giving her enough control without compromising the effectiveness of cleaning. The 3 cleaning settings, super sensitive, sensitive, and daily clean, allow customization depending on the child's needs or mood. It's fun for kids to switch between settings, and this kind of engagement encourages proper brushing habits. The music timer is a standout feature. It plays tunes for the dentist's recommended 2 minutes, making it much easier to ensure your child is brushing long enough. My niece actually smiled and kept brushing just to hear the music finish. On the practical side, the brush head is gentle but effective. It reaches tricky areas and really helps remove plaque better than a manual toothbrush. Cleanup is simple, and the handle is easy to grip, even for younger kids. Some pros include the engaging music timer, gentle yet effective brush head, customizable cleaning settings, and the pressure sensor that really does protect gums. The quiet motor and long battery life are also definite positives. On the flip side, it's a bit pricier than a standard manual brush, and while the music timer is fun, some kids might get distracted by it rather than focusing on proper technique. In terms of value, this toothbrush is a solid investment if you're looking for a device that promotes healthy habits and protects your child's oral health. Compared to other kids' electric toothbrushes, the IO Kid stands out for its combination of fun, safety, and effectiveness. Build quality is impressive. The materials feel durable, and the brush head maintains shape well over time. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other parents and beauty enthusiasts can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. And if you're itching to get it, the link is in the comments. The brand's reputation for customer support is strong. Parents report responsive service if there's ever an issue with battery or performance, which adds extra peace of mind when investing in a higher-priced kids' toothbrush. If you're looking for alternatives, there are simpler electric toothbrushes for kids that are more budget-friendly, but they often lack the music timer or pressure sensor. For families who value those safety and engagement features, the Oral-B IO Kids is worth the extra investment. Overall, this toothbrush combines functionality, fun, and safety in a way that encourages proper oral hygiene habits for children. It's best suited for parents looking for a reliable, engaging, and child-friendly electric toothbrush that goes beyond just cleaning teeth. Thanks so much for watching Beautyistic. The link to purchase the Oral-B IO Kids toothbrush is in the comments and description box below. If you've tried this toothbrush with your kids, drop a comment and let us know your experience. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.